Welcome back to October. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you don't know who I am, I do videos on Mondays and Wednesdays, and today I am wearing a Walt Disney hat, even though I'm doing a Cricut tutorial intro for Monday, so we'll just go with it. It's also a shameless plug that on Wednesdays I do Disney videos, so check out Wednesdays as well. Today I took some really cute pumpkins and I'm just gonna DIY them up just a little bit more with a little extra cricketing, and I'm gonna show you some pumpkins that you can buy at the Happy Spot at Target, which is just the Bullseye's playground, but we call it the Happy Spot because we get really happy when we walk in Target and we see all those cute things that we don't really need, but we really want them. And then I give you reasons why you probably do need them. If they're already adorable and they're really not that expensive, just buy those things and then buy a big blank one and DIY it like we're gonna do right now. So let's get going, and happy Halloween, guys. Alright, so I gathered some Mod Podge and glitter and some foil for my Cricut and cut out some cute designs which are available to my patrons. And before I do any glitter, I take a piece of paper and fold it in half and put it under whatever I'm doing so that I can capture all the glitter and put it back in its little glitter container when I'm done. I'm just taking this blank pumpkin and putting some polka dots on it and then using my Mod Podge to create big circles, and then I'm going to make one little Mickey circle just so there's a hidden Mickey on this pumpkin, and it creates kind of a little classy Disney pumpkin for your Halloween decor. Okay, and here's a little quick tip. Put some tape on the end of your paintbrushes if you're going to reuse them so they don't dry out. I love that tip. And then I'm going to pop my glitter right back in so I don't waste it. And for the next pumpkin, we are just using a SVG that I have available to my patrons that says "This is Halloween," and that is another way to tie in Disney because I wanted it to be a little subtle, but I also wanted it to be Disney because duh, we love Disney, and why not add it wherever we can. Okay, so I'm going to be using the transfer tape that you can get on my website. I love this transfer tape. It's like masking tape. It's not so sticky, so that it makes it super easy to get off of your design once you put it on. And then here's a little quick tip. If you missed a little piece, just cut a little extra and cover those little pieces with extra little pieces. Then another tip is to roll your backing off of your design at a 90-degree angle like I'm doing right now, and it makes it a little bit easier to get off. Once again, this masking tape, transfer tape, is a little bit less sticky, but I love it because it makes it so much easier to put on your product. So I'm just going to rub it into all the little cracks and crevices on the pumpkin and make sure that it's stuck on there really good. But once again, this transfer tape's so awesome that I don't even need to really work that hard to get it onto my surface. I didn't even clean the surface. It just sticks that well. So I'm just going to rub all the little pieces on, and then I'm going to give it a good rub once it's off as well because these pumpkins are very rigid, so it takes a little extra effort to push it down.